Hi everyone and welcome. I'm the founder and main teacher here at IFBB Nordic Academy. This presentation is all about our specialized personal trainer course, designed specifically for those passionate about fitness and bodybuilding. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how the program works, the valuable skills you'll develop, what you'll learn, who this course is really for, what makes our approach different, and why now is a great time to join our community of fitness professionals. All right, let's dive into how this course actually operates and the features designed to help you succeed. It's a comprehensive online program giving you the flexibility to learn from anywhere. We kick things off interactively, often with a live online weekend via Zoom, which is recorded if you can't make it. From there, you engage with practical tasks like technique videos and program design to really solidify your knowledge. You get access to extensive learning materials. We're talking over 800 pages of in-depth content and more than 60 pre-recorded video lectures from myself and other leading experts. It's all accessible through our easy-to-use online platform and even a mobile app, putting valuable knowledge right at your fingertips. The focus is on practical application. This isn't just theory. With our specialized focus on fitness and bodybuilding, the 4 core modules guide you through applying essential personal training principles in real-world scenarios. You receive ongoing support and earn a valuable certification. You'll have access to me as your instructor and a community forum to connect with peers. Upon successful completion, you earn the internationally recognized IFBB Personal Trainer certification, a credential that carries weight globally and significantly boosts your professional standing. Now, let's get into the core knowledge you'll acquire. We've structured the learning into key areas. First, the scientific foundations. This isn't just basic anatomy. You'll deeply understand exercise physiology and biomechanics, the how and why training works. We'll cover advanced training techniques and the critical concept of periodization for long-term results. Importantly, you'll learn how to apply evidence-based practice using solid research to make informed coaching decisions. Next, nutrition and supplementation. You'll master nutrition science, covering macros, micros, and tailoring strategies for different client goals, whether it's muscle gain, fat loss, or performance. We tackle supplementation from a strictly evidence-based standpoint, focusing on what's proven effective. You'll also gain the practical ability to create customized meal plans. Finally, client management. Knowing the science is one thing, applying it effectively is another. You'll learn robust assessment methods and how to track client progress accurately. We focus heavily on developing your coaching skills, including motivation techniques and effective communication. Plus, we cover the essential business and marketing basics needed for success as a personal trainer in today's market, even touching on relevant AI applications. Beyond the knowledge, this course focuses heavily on the practical skills you need to be an effective coach. You'll develop strong technical expertise. This means mastering key resistance exercises yourself, ensuring safe and correct execution, and critically learning how to effectively teach proper form and technique to your clients. A major focus is program design. You will gain the ability to create truly individualized training and nutrition programs. This isn't about using generic templates. It's about tailoring plans specifically to each client's unique goals and needs. You'll become proficient in assessment and application. This involves learning how to conduct comprehensive physical assessments to establish baselines and track progress, as well as applying nutrition principles effectively in practical real-world scenarios with clients. Finally, we build essential professional skills. You'll learn how to find and utilize current research findings, maintain high ethical standards in your practice, and develop sound business approaches. We also touch on using modern tools like best AI tools for personal trainers to enhance your work and the importance of building industry connections. So, who exactly is this program designed to benefit? We find it's a great fit for several groups. First, aspiring trainers. If you're looking to launch a career in personal training and have a particular interest in the world of fitness and bodybuilding, this course provides the in-depth knowledge and specialization to get you started strong. It's also ideal for current trainers. If you're already working in the field but want to elevate your expertise, gain specialized knowledge, perhaps focus more on physique athletes, or just deepen your understanding with the latest science, this program will significantly enhance your practice. We also serve certification seekers. If your goal is to obtain an internationally recognized and respected certification, the IFBB credential earned through this course is highly valued. It demonstrates competence applicable to both specialized fitness, bodybuilding clients, and the general population. And finally, it's perfect for passionate enthusiasts and athletes. This includes fitness and bodybuilding competitors, dedicated enthusiasts, and coaches who want to truly deepen their own understanding of advanced training, nutrition, and exercise science. So, what truly sets us apart from other personal training courses? There are several key differences. Specialized focus. Our course is uniquely tailored, specifically for bodybuilding and physique sports coaching. We distinctively combine the deep practical heritage and history of the IFBB with the most current scientific research in the field. This blend of tradition and cutting-edge science is central to our approach. Expert instruction. You'll be learning directly from active researchers like myself and highly experienced international coaches. This means you benefit from instructors who possess both strong academic knowledge and extensive real-world practical expertise. We bring leading minds to teach you. Rigorous content. This program is comprehensive and demands commitment. We offer in-depth material that amounts to approximately 135 hours of dedicated learning. It's this rigor that ensures the IFBB certification you earn upon completion is globally recognized and respected as a mark of true competence. Flexible learning with support. While the learning is primarily online for flexibility, it's integrated with practical tasks to ensure you can apply your knowledge effectively. Crucially, you're not learning in isolation. You get direct instructor access for guidance and become part of a supportive and vibrant peer community network. So wrapping up, why join now? Let's recap the key reasons. Fundamentally, this is a smart investment in your career. You're gaining valuable specialized skills that directly enhance your professional capabilities and earning potential. You'll build your network, connecting with fellow students, instructors, and the broader IFBB community. Connections that can be invaluable throughout your career. You will earn global recognition. The IFBB certification isn't just a piece of paper. It's recognized internationally and genuinely opens doors to new opportunities. You get privileged access to learn from active experts. You're not learning outdated information. You're accessing current knowledge directly from people deeply involved in research and top-level coaching. All these factors combine to help you gain a competitive edge. In a crowded industry, this specialized expertise truly makes you stand out and positions you for success. If you're serious about advancing your knowledge and career in fitness and bodybuilding, these are compelling reasons to take the next step with us. So, if what you've heard today resonates with you and you're ready to seriously advance your expertise in personal training, here are the next steps. Head over to our website. There you can browse all the complete course details, examine the curriculum, and really understand the depth of this career-changing opportunity. Enroll in the program. Once you're ready, the enrollment process is simple and can be completed directly on the website. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the IFBB Nordic Academy personal trainer course today. We are passionate about providing high-level, evidence-based education. If you have any questions after checking out the website, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to potentially welcoming you to the program and helping you achieve your professional goals.